Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shy and I am back with another video. So guys, today is Vlogmas day 21. We have to go grocery shopping, right? So if y'all seen on the other Vlogmas video, I forgot which Vlogmas video it was, but I completely cleaned out the refrigerator. I did not clean out the pantry, but we didn't really got nothing in there anyways. So I completely cleaned out the refrigerator. I threw a bunch of stuff away, so we need to re-up on everything. We need drinks, we need not a lot of meat items, but more so drinks. We need some waters, we need some juices, the juices that we drink. I do want to get like some protein shake, probably like some Ensure or something, so I can gain a little bit of weight. And then we need to get like some regular stuff. Yeah, so we'll probably get like a couple of meat items. I don't know, y'all. I just did an overnight shift and I'm like so tired. Like my whole face is just hurting. I got a headache. I got off at 6:30 this morning, and I got off at 6:30. I went home and I watched the Vlogmas video. I had drank like a little coffee. Coffee don't keep me up anyway. It's like the caffeine in it doesn't do anything for me. I just drink coffee for the taste. So I wanted some coffee and I drank me a cup of coffee, and I went to sleep after that. And now I'm up and we're going grocery shopping because I just picked my husband up from work, and now we have to deal with all these people on the road, all these last minute shoppers, which is fine because sometimes I'm a last minute shopper as well. I'm off for the rest of the day, so it's not like I'm doing anything else. So yeah, but we're going to H-E-B. We're gonna get some groceries from H-E-B. I don't know if we're gonna go to any other grocery store. I'm not sure if we're gonna go to Walmart or not. I don't know, but for now we're just gonna hit up H-E-B and get some stuff, and I will show you guys like all of that. I'm recording on my phone, by the way. I did not bring my camera because I didn't think we were gonna go straight to the grocery store when I picked them up, but since we're like right here, it was like we might as well just go. There's no point in going all the way back home, going to get the camera and then coming back out to get groceries just to go back home and like in the back of time for all that. I'm tired. I don't want to do all that driving.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away, palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about
we are like halfway through the store right now. We are looking at condiments, and yeah, we're about to push through the rest of the store. Okay, so guys, this is what our basket looks like so far. We still have like a whole lot of store left. So we got some meats here, we got some condiments, we got some vegetables up here, some fruits, and we got some bread. So now we just need to make it to the rest of the stuff.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Come through, I think I need you.
Who's going up in the front? That eggs and bread. Come on.
You got eggs?
Where my eggs at?
Oh, I've left it inside.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh.
I didn't have it.
He didn't bag them?
You know what? It was a bag to the side. I guess he wanted it for last.
Oh. Okay, y'all. So we just got out the grocery store. We spent a total of $300 on all our groceries. So it would have been $350, but my discount saved us like $47. So we spent $300 on our groceries. So I think we're pretty good as far as groceries. Babe, do you think we need to go and get some more stuff?
We're good for now.
We good for now? Okay.
Well, I need to get stuff for me personally.
For your fish and everything? Oh, okay. So yeah, right now we're just about, it was so crowded in there. I tried to get as much footage as I could. My husband helped me out with getting footage as well. You know, he was nervous, y'all. He is so nervous, like recording in public. But
why you ain't do that? Why you ain't do that?
Because I wanted you to get clips of me walking
no, nigga,
up to.
You could have propped the phone somewhere.
Yeah, that's all right. I'm gonna break him out of it.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I'm gonna break him out of it. So yeah, we're gonna go to the house and then we're gonna drop the groceries off.
Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away.
Oh, tell me something. Okay, guys, so I just made it back home, and y'all, the one thing I hate about grocery shopping day is, one, having to go to the grocery store when there's a lot of people, and two, having to put all this stuff away. Like, y'all, what are y'all gonna help me come put these groceries? Like, look at these groceries everywhere. All this groceries, that groceries, this groceries, that groceries. Oh my gosh, like, it's a lot. So my husband just left to pick up his sister and his dad from the movies. So yeah, now I'm gonna put everything up before hubby comes back home, because I want to have all this in the freezer so that way I can get all this out the way, and then I can think about what we're gonna eat for dinner or whatever. Then too, he might want a sub sandwich, because we did get like the sub bread. He likes to eat that, so he might want that. I don't know.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my
So I bought this buffalo ranch chopped salad because y'all probably know I watched Peyton and told, you know, everybody about this buffalo ranch chopped salad. To try this with the hot buffalo tuna creations, so I want to try that together. So that's why I bought these, because I want to start eating more salads. And yeah, I'm gonna try it. She said it was good and I believe her. So I bought these sweet tomatoes as well. I bought these because I want to try them out and I want to see if they're really good. Like, I can eat them in my salads too, or I can just eat them regular. Because I actually like tomatoes, like small tomatoes like that.
I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions of replay.
It's crazy how much groceries this is. Like, look at all this stuff. I got the chicken and stuff in the sink because I'm finna bag that and put it in the freezer, or else it will not fit in the freezer just like that. So this is all the stuff that we bought right here. This is some of the stuff, and then I have all this stuff over here. So y'all, that's a lot of groceries. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put all this stuff where it needs to go. I'm gonna probably take that meat back out of here because I want to bag it and put it in the freezer so that way it'll actually fit. Yeah, I'm gonna bag this actually.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions of replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions of replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
Okay guys, so I am done with putting all the groceries away. Right now I'm just about to make my husband a sub sandwich, because he said y'all, my baby, he be working so hard, like he don't eat breakfast, and so he haven't eaten all day. He haven't eaten since last night, and I know he's hungry. So I'm going to make him a sub sandwich. It's really easy to make. Me, I'm not really that hungry. I'm just gonna eat these chicken wings that we bought from HEB. So I'm gonna eat those while I edit videos, and I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the day because I'm so tired from that overnight shift. But I wanted to at least get groceries today, make today productive, because I didn't want to sleep the whole day away knowing that we need groceries, we need food. So let me just show y'all what it looks like. So this is what our freezer looks like. Like I said, I like to package my meat. I like to put them in bags so that way it'll be easier, like, to put stuff in there. And then I got this stuff on the door. Normally we would have some ice cream, but we did not get ice cream today. We'll probably get it later on in the week. But that's how the freezer looks. And then the refrigerator looks like this. It still looks a little empty, like we don't have stuff up here, and like we barely have like anything down here really. But I mean, we mostly honestly get like vegetables and stuff like that whenever we go grocery shopping, because we're still trying to figure out like what we like, you know, like other people's refrigerator be full of stuff. We're still trying to figure out exactly what we like and what we could put in our fridge to kind of like fill up them gaps. But I put the fruits up here. And then right here is like some butter, some condensed milk, and then my eggs is there. This is turkey, turkey legs, turkey drums. I want to do like turkey drums with some some cornbread, some mac and cheese, and I don't know, but I just want to make like home cooked meals. So that's why I got that, and I want to try it as well. In here I just put all of our meats and cheeses in here. So that's what's in here, our lunch meat and cheese and sausages, bacon for his sub sandwiches and for breakfast. And then right here is just the potatoes I put in there. That pot is just rice. We have our drinks here. So yeah, that's what that looks like. And I'm about to cook his bacon. I'm about to make this, and that's his bread right in there, banana. The pantry, this is how, y'all, my pantry looks kind of unorganized a little bit. Like I kind of try to organize it a little bit. So this is what it looks like. Up here we have like chips and cereals and, you know, other boxes up there, but it's chips and cereal. Right here we have like sides, like, you know, beans. We have some condiments in there with some crackers and stuff right there. Right here is kind of like the snack section, but you know, of course this stuff right here will go up here. And then right here is more so of like, you know, bags, miscellaneous stuff. But except for this stuff right here, it was nowhere to fit it up here, so it's right there. And then down here we just have water, rice. I have another case of water, but that will go over there on my husband's gaming section. So we have water, have more rice that I have to put in this bucket right here. We got this bucket from Ross. My mother-in-law bought this for us for rice. And then right here is those little canisters I showed y'all. And then this is like drink oil right here. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I post a video. And I will see you guys in Vlogmas day 22.